Hey guys, so for week 3, we are going to be talking about tracheostomy and the care for it or suction through the tracheostomy. So we're going to be needing to create a trach model, with which you will do the return demonstration. So in this video, I will demonstrate how to create a trach model. That way you can successfully participate in the return demonstration on week 3. So what you need to prepare is, from this bag, the new kit, if you will, you need the plastic stand. And I already opened it, but the tracheostomy tube, so this guy. And then you will also need empty 5cc syringe. And that's all you need to create a trach model. Now, I'm going to put this aside. And for your week 3 return demonstration, you will also need the suction catheter kit. And then the tracheostomy clean and care tray. So those two, and also this 5cc empty syringe will be found in your older nursing kit, the purple bag compared to that black bag that I just showed you guys. Okay, so how to set up a trach setup? It's pretty simple. Open up this tracheostomy tube package, and it's already open for mine. It looks like this. So this is what trach looks like. There's an obturator, which in the simulation we will talk more about what it is and all that. But this will be discarded for the simulation or demonstration. But for now, I will keep it in. It has this this part. I don't even know what it's called, but this is where you insert air. That way, the balloon will be inflated so that the trach will be stabilized in the right position and not gonna come out, which it still might come out depending on what the patient is doing, but that's off topic, so I'm not gonna go into detail. Now, I've noticed that this string part, by the way, it came like this at first. So it was attached to this plastic part. For this setup, we will pull it apart like so. And this string part, I've already kind of loosened it up one side. And this is how you see in the kit. I don't know why they made it so hard, but this plastic thingy has to come off. And all I could think of is just cut the little slit because it's very tight. So I just use a small scissors. And then literally just pull it apart. I found that it was unnecessarily secure. But anyways, after you cut and discard this plastic part, then you can just unfold the string like so. So once you do it, it's pretty simple. There's that plastic tray or whatever stand, whatever you want to call it. And then the trach goes this way, not this way. So again, kind of downward, you just insert it. And then, obviously this is not what you would do to a human, but I'm just explaining how to set up a model. So this is not to say this is how you do it to an actual patient. So you insert it, and then you just have to tie somewhere. Because this actually would go around the neck in a real life situation, but obviously this plastic plate doesn't have any neck or anything. So maybe like so, maybe one more, whatever you wish to do. This is now secure. Once you do it, empty 5cc syringe and grab this little thingy. Again, I don't know what it's called. Attach it. You may want to push it hard because otherwise it might just push back when you push the air in. So while holding it, push 5cc air in, and then while putting the positive pressure still on, just pull it apart. And this part should be inflated, and this is how you can actually assess the air status in the balloon in the real life scenario. And then the balloon should be inflated here as well. In some sources that I read, typically you insert 5 to 10 cc air, but it depends on what kind of trach or what kind of manufacturer we're talking about. So oftentimes it is written on the tray or kit itself. In this one, it's not. And then finally, you remove obturator. We don't need that. And that's how you set up the trach set. And you're ready to demonstrate the clean or care and also suctioning. Okay. If you guys are unsure, please email me. I can walk you through it, but I think it's pretty straightforward. So hopefully it was clear for you guys. All right, good luck on week 3. Bye.